Forward, let's begin with the first startup who's joining us today. We'll talk about Cornext. Now, Cornext is an agri-tech startup. We often talk about the food shortage, food problem in the country, but seldom do we talk about the fodder crisis, food and nutrition for the cattle. This is where Cornext has worked upon. They've made sure that nutrition to the cattle of high quality nutrition is made available. We'll take a look at their story. We'll try and understand the manner in which they've manufactured special baled silage machines as well, all that. But let's first look at the journey of Cornext.
India is one of the world's largest milk producer. Being endowed with huge wealth of cattle population, milk is an important and traditional source of nutrition for Indians. The fodder available for the cattle is not always sufficient in terms of both quantity and quality. In fact, the gap requirement and availability has been increasing. As per National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology, the fodder deficit would be about 40% by 2025. In order to address this deficit, natural preservation of green forages is done by enriching them through fermentation. This process is called ensiling and the produce is called silage. This is Cornext, an agri-tech startup company. It is credited for introducing disruptive technology called baled silage, which is a natural preservation and fortification of green fodder in the country that addresses the fodder shortage that is prevalent in many parts of the country. Founded by Madhav Kshatriya, Amarnath Sarangula and Firoz Ahmed, they won the National Startup Award in agriculture allied areas. The founders had to mortgage their property and take loan in order to start their dream. The decentralized silage baling reduced the price paid by dairy farmers as logistics costs reduced. The result was that the company received an overwhelming response for pioneering this technology globally.
We never thought of making smaller bales. We never thought. When it went to the market, the handling of 400 kilograms bales was very difficult by these farmers. 1.5 crore is unimaginable to an Indian dairy farmer or Indian entrepreneur, village level entrepreneur. So without changing the scientific principle, we have achieved almost 1.5 years of complete R&D. We have achieved a quality of silage which is equivalent to European balers. So that is where, and we have got the patent also for that.
Till now, this startup company has created more than 100 rural fodder entrepreneurs and also created employment for hundreds of youth. Cornext is a startup that is creating more new startups in animal nutrition space.
We are making a rural fodder entrepreneurship करके हम एक program बनाया है, wherein which whoever buys this small baler machine, we are taking care of every aspect of the entrepreneurship model.
The company is also planning to bring the power of e-commerce to doorstep of the Indian farmer. Development of a new farmer business network will be possible, which in turn would bring world-class technology at the cheapest possible price through Make in India initiative.
The vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat can only be realized when more and more rural entrepreneurs are created in the country. And with the power of e-commerce now in the hands of the farmer, it's time to take the country in a new direction.
All right, that was a fascinating journey of Cornext. A round of applause shall we have for our first startup. Thank you. And CEO Madhav Kshatriya is there with us. And Madhav, thanks very much. We can see